Hello everyone, I got this Dmyond metal detector, pinpointer metal detector here. This is 9 inches when it's put together. This takes a 9-volt battery. You just stick it in here. It has plus and minus inside here, so you can see that on the battery and inside here. And then you just screw it together and it seals pretty tight, just like that. And this is a 9-inch. I like it because it's all orange. If you drop it when you're metal detecting, or if you're panning for gold, which I've done that, you'll be able to find it if you drop it in weeds or anything a lot easier than some of the other ones like the TRX. The White's TRX is all dark. The Garrett is also orange. This is similar to the Garrett because you can't dig with this, but this does have a scraper down below that you can scrape with. And it comes with a lanyard that stretches out. So if you drop it while you have it in your pouch, because it comes with a pouch also. So the way this is set up, it's like this here. You would clip your lanyard to this. I could put this on here for you so you could see. So you just spread this apart, and then you will thread it on here like that. And then this has a snap and also Velcro. So you could put it on your belt, or if you don't wear a belt, maybe just your belt loop. And then just snap it to secure it a little better. And then you could stick it in here. And then you could connect this to your belt loop as well. Because sometimes if you're metal detecting with your bigger metal detector, or if you're panning for gold or something like that in a stream, this might come out, slide out. This will catch it if you have this on your belt loop. So this has a light with it. It beeps when it clicks on, so you know it's on. Now, one of the things, this is a pinpointer. This is real similar to the Garrett in the sense that, so for instance, if you're looking at the TRX, and I'll put those in the link as well. If you're looking at the TRX, that's actually a true pinpointer. This here, you hear it's beeping, and then it does that as you get closer. So that's pretty nice. I think that's even nicer than the Garrett, if you ask me. The other thing is, it's similar to the Garrett, is where it metal detects on the side too. Not all the way up. I think it starts right around in this range somewhere. But it will pick things up. As you can see, so it picks up stuff like that. Phone. So once again, as you get closer, it starts beeping, so you could dial in on it. This is a pretty nice pinpointer. I like this one. I would recommend this. I'll put a link down below for this. And yeah, I'll put this on for you so that you can see what it looks like. And I just shut it off. It beeped. So beeps when it goes on and then off. But let me attach this to me so you can see what it's like when it's attached to me. And so this is Velcro. You just put this on your belt loop, and then you could just snap it. There's a snap there, snap it on. Or if you don't want to do that, you could just put it on a belt loop. You might not be wearing a belt, so you could put it on your belt loop and then just snap that in and then slide this in here. Now you could also clip this on at the same time. That's what this lanyard's for. So let me just snap this on here. So that way, just for whatever reason, if it comes out, you know, it's not going to fall and you're not going to lose it, because this stretches pretty far. I mean, you can see how far this stretches. Yeah, so this is pretty nice. I like that. Yeah, so there you go. I'll leave a link for this down below. This is a 9-inch metal detector pinpointer that works very well. Does have a scraper on here, and if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, like, and don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.